Cummins mighty QSK60 G23 2500 to 2750 kVA generator comes together, meticulously assembled with the highest quality parts. Powered by a mighty engine, the QSK60 G23 is one of the best power density gensets with the most compact footprints ever manufactured in India. To meet the ever-increasing power demand of technology segment like data centers, its best-in-class high-efficiency, high-capacity Stamford alternator offers superior transient performance and harmonic load handling capability. Cooling systems here are well suited for combustion air cooling, air for alternator, heat removal and for cooling the genset. Its heavy-duty air cleaner is a standard offering in this node, which is optimally designed for best performance of the engine and service life. The best-in-class AVM pads with the highest isolation efficiency arrests vibrations. Cummins offers a robust base frame to support static and dynamic weights for most reliable genset package and performance. With 100 years of global expertise and innovation, the QSK60 G23 is engineered to provide the highest power density in its segment, with considerably low emissions and superior reliable performance that remains consistent even at higher altitudes and temperatures. Designed to be smart, the QSK60 G23 features PC 3.3 controller through an advanced communications and metering interface. Fully capable of paralleling and load-dependent operation, the QSK60 G23 quickly responds to load changes and can easily handle critical loads, ensuring uninterrupted performance in almost any condition. Protected by critical amp sentry protection, supported by 24/7 Pan-India service support, and covered by a comprehensive warranty. Meet the ultimate genset, meticulously engineered for your data center. The QSK60 G23 from Cummins. Best power density with uninterrupted performance that keeps your business always on.